I'm Abdul Halim. My card metric is 08 DKA19F1115. Today, I would like to do a tutorial on how to change your battery for vivo Y85 or vivo V9. Okay, it only will cost you under 50 ringgit. Okay, stay tuned. Okay, first step, gather the equipment. Okay, you need a set of a screwdriver phone that you can get at online shop, Lazada or Shopee for 20 ringgit or below. Next, the battery itself, you can buy it at online shop or you can physically buy it at Loyat for 20 ringgit. Okay, second step is the two tiny screw were unscrewed and the SIM card compartment were opened. Okay. I don't wanna waste what's left. The storms we chase are leading us, and love is all we'll ever trust. Yeah, no, I don't wanna. Third step is the back cover are carefully opened. After that, the fingerprint wire and screw are unscrewed and unplugged. Okay, the fourth step is the protector wire screw are unscrewed. The next step is the battery wire is unplugged to turn off the battery function. Okay, the next step is the battery was replaced. Okay, lastly, everything assembled back together.
I'm walking alone, the streets are empty. The only thing I can see is my own silhouette. I'm getting stronger, step by step. The clock is ticking, but there's no time for regrets. I've been flying from town to town.